Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw diet easy method. Start by shredding cabbage finely and draining excess water, then julienne carrots and slice green onion. Whisk a light dressing with Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar, Dijon, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp honey. Toss vegetables with dressing and chill 30 minutes to meld flavors. Serve small portions as a crunchy, low-calorie side and healthy. Mix a tangy dressing base with equal parts plain Greek yogurt and apple cider vinegar, then add Dijon and 1 tsp olive oil. Season with salt, black pepper, and 1 tsp honey for balanced acidity and sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and optional celery seed for crunch. Taste and adjust salt and vinegar, then refrigerate dressing for 10 minutes so flavors settle before tossing with shredded vegetables. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof containers for meal prep to keep coleslaw fresh and mess-free. I love these sturdy, microwave-safe containers that nest for storage. They make portioning and transport simple and save time, especially for work lunches or picnics. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Combine shredded cabbage, carrots, and sliced onion in a large bowl, then add chopped parsley for freshness. Pour dressing gradually and toss gently to coat without bruising vegetables, then let sit 15 minutes to soften slightly. For lower calories, replace half the yogurt with mashed avocado or use light yogurt. Serve chilled in 3, 5-inch bowls and portion at about 1 cup to control servings. Add a sprinkle of black pepper and lemon zest for brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.